Very good afternoon, Mr. Sayed and Mr. And good to meet you at India about 2024. So, to start with this interview, I wanted to ask, can you give us a brief about your country, what it is doing in India and global, overview of the country?
So Biesse was founded in 1969 in Italy, in Pesaro, small city, from the founder Giancarlo Selci, the first generation. Now there is the second generation that evolved the work of the founder. Today Biesse counting more than 1,500 people all around the world, two main manufacturing based in Italy and India, and more than 19 countries managed by local offices and local representative offices, and many other countries followed by agents or dealers. For sure, BS started with the develop of technology in wood machines, but grow also with glass, stone, and advanced material machines. Actually, BS acquired two big brands on glass and stone, and grow more and more step by step in multi-material development. So the- actually, the wood business for sure is a strong part, and here in India we have mainly woods, but the
Yes.
strategy is very ambitious. Maybe Said can be more
You want to add
precise.
anything, sir?
Yeah, as I said, all these years we have been focusing more on oat in India. India is a very strategic unit as a it used to be a manufacturing setup, but today we are looking with the growth of the Indian business, Indian market for the woodworking, not alone there the glass and stone as well as for the multi-material. We are seeing the growth is there in the industry, and BSA India is there to offer solutions on this. So we have the expertise, not only to manufacture machines, but also the technology that we are getting from our parent company. We are able to give solution to our customers here in various materials.
And I heard you are coming up with your new communication and new branding. So, what is that all about? The new,
Yes.
New communication.
On the new
the new
branding.
communication, the new branding of the company.
The new branding is the signal of a new company because BS changed a lot. After many years of very good strategy, we moved to the next level of strategy to be only one brand because the grow sometimes happens by acquisitions, and now we select all our technology and put under one roof. So BS is the only real brand, and below the big brand we have material brand connected to wood, glass, stone, and material that is the plastic and advanced material division. But the brand is the only the symbol of a change also inside the company. We have new value, new missions that reinforcing our daily business and our motivations to grow step by step with the respect of the people, with the respect of the country, with the respect of the customers. So very big challenge every day is for our team, but very exciting for us.
So, Mr. Sayed, how are you planning to send this message to the Indian market, the change what is happening? How will you communicate? Any announcement, any campaign you are planning?
We are going right now. If you see in this be inside, we have come out, with all the the new colors, the new branding, the new logo, which is made very distinct, and the show itself, the whole stall that is organized is reflecting the changing image of BSA. We have showcased all the materials that BSA is giving solution for the glass, the stone, and for the composite material, and the new technology, hydrogen fuel system that is there. We are showcasing about. This is the changing face of BSA, and branding is giving an important role. Later during the year, we are going to have our B inside, where with all the products with the new branding will be launched, and thereafter you will have the new colors, everything will be there. So that will be a big event that we will have it in India to launch the new products in India.
And sustainability is the topic which everybody is talking about. And and you have a very beautiful plant in Bangalore. So, what sort of sustainability initiative you are taking for your plant? Because as everybody is committed towards carbon neutrality or go green by 2030, 2040. So, what sort of targets you have accepted and what sort of initiative you have taken in your plant?
See, we have done the first step is we have got certified for ISO 45001. That itself is a big commitment from us towards sustainability goals and bringing in setting the targets for ourselves on all, whether the usage of plastic, conservation of energy and water, the safety and health of our employees. This is there, and then about the entire product life cycle, we are carrying forward the sustainability to our customer place by building the products which are energy efficient. Hydrogen force system, what we are talking about, is one of the initiatives where instead of electrical energy, we are using the hydrogen. This is something, a new benchmark in the industry towards sustainability that's going on.
And Mr. Vicky, today we are on second day of the event. So, what sort of sentiment you are seeing with the people who are visiting your booth?
So for sure, all the people are extremely excited to see something different because Biesse is not providing only machines, providing solutions in a different way. So we like to be the long-term partnership for our customers. And what surprised us is that the customer coming and asking not specifically only some solution on wood, but asking some suggestion to manage all the factories also on other components. So this likes a lot because is the target that we are aiming to achieve more and more. So we are doing great.
And Mr. Syed, how do you see the Indian industry moving when it comes to woodworking and stone and glass? How do you see the market shaping up? And three, what are the targets? What sort of growth you are looking at or your company's plan for 2024-25?
See, if you look at stone and glass, all these years, industry it was dominated by lot of manual work. So industry is shifting more and more towards mechanization. And people in India, what is there is they have got the money and the business is there in India. So people are moving towards more automation and higher end of technology. Still, there is a chance for people to play at a lower end, and there is also a big opportunity for people to move at the for the higher end of technology. Woodworking also, we see there are a lot of people asking for automation because skill in manpower is a issue for everyone, and there are a lot of manufacturers even in tier 2 cities asking for more automation to be there. So the industry is moving up in technology. People are talking about industry 4.0, people are talking about IoT, industry is talking about integrating with ERP. So we see that India is catching up fast on digitization also.
And your target for the company, what sort of growth you are looking at? My last question to sum it up, because both of you can let me know
We
what
will
sort of,
double, keep doubling
not the
every two,
numbers,
three years.
that's the
Easy,
vision.
easy. Well, we like to do double.
Okay. Great.
Every 2 years, 3 years, we put up with the opportunity is there. The opportunity is there is not a big. So everyone in India, someone is talking about 5x is not a big thing. To tell you, I was recently in Association of Furniture Manufacturers Association. So they took the commitment from the participants about 10x growth in 5 years. So about the furniture industry. So that is the thing that's going.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Vicky. Thank you, Mr. Sayed. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, do visit DJ booth at hall number 4 booth and do meet Mr. Sayed and his team to understand and know the latest technology what they are offering. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Bye.
time.
Thank you to you.